From tourist to trap in just a few hours. Have you ever imagined that in just one morning in Hanoi, you could transform from a curious traveler bewildered by unfamiliar ingredients into a confident Vietnamese chef? Welcome to our Vietnamese cooking class, where the curious journey begins at a bustling local market. Here, you handpick fresh herb, pork, and crispy rice paper. Our guides are not a trap; they are storytellers who share the secret culture and history behind a dish. After the market tour, you return with the group to a cozy kitchen in the heart of the oak water. With an apron on and your station ready, you dive into the cooking process. No experience needed, just a passion for discovery and a love for good food. And in just a few hours, you will craft your own bowl of steaming flavorful pho bò, beef noodle soup, perfectly rolled golden crispy namsan rice spring rolls. Taste the authentic flavor of bún chả, a Hanoi specialty. Enjoy banana blossom salad with chicken, a unique and refreshing Vietnamese dish. And after that, you live not only with full belly, but also the skill to recreate the taste Vietnamese in your own kitchen. Cooking is more than making food, it's how to touch the soul of a country. Are you ready to become a Vietnamese chef in the journey?